With the primary structure all up, we're ready to go ahead and put the rafters up. I'm going to start down here on this lower edge. One, it's easier to work, and I'll work out the kinks of rafter installation on a lower, easier spot. So I've transferred the lines straight up on both sides and then taken a measurement off the top plate to give me accurate bird's mouth, so that when I cut them on both down here and up there, this whole rafter will just drop down about 1.5 inches. But overall, pretty pleased with that. We're in good shape. Go ahead and get this down and gang cut all set up. So we're all set up for the first gang cut. Got things clamped together. I'm only going to do 4 at a time. That way if something does go wrong, I don't mess up a bunch of these boards. They're hard to come by because I got to find more logs. And I already don't have enough. I was hopeful that we'd be able to do some gang cutting, which is basically clamping them together. However, it's proven not to work well based on these are milled boards that are relatively green, and as they have dried a little bit, they've kind of warped and twisted. That wasn't good. Dropped my dang saw. Got an aluminum guard on here. Just looked like it bent. Well, that's not so bad. Takes about 12-14 minutes per board. What are you gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these. Same thing you just watched me do. Lay this on there, draw it out, cut all the corners, use the chisel, get the corner cleaned out. Nice and straightforward. So we've gone ahead and set the first board up here. We're gonna slide it to where it belongs and get it screwed in place. And we're gonna put the rest of these babies up there. So for the first 2 boards, these are outside, well, in relation to the building, they'd be outside of a wall if there's a wall here. The rest of them, we're going to use a spacer on to determine the spacing all the way down. We calculated that, and using a spacer is a lot easier than taking measurements the whole time. Coming back?
Yep.
Coming back. And we win? Good?
Yeah.
You want it up against it, but you want it to be able to come out.
Yep.
Okay.
See your hammer.
You ready? No. You get used to it pretty quick. Pretty quick. Heavy. Well, that's it. the rafters. Most of what you saw early on was all the wood that I had worked over the winter, milled and worked, and then I had to go mill a few more of these and get them planed and shaped. And next thing is starting to deck the roof. So we're going to be using 1 inch thick by 8 inch wide or whatever widths I have, which is a lot of different stuff. Put decking on this. But overall, pretty pleased with this. Got a few touch-ups here to do, cut the tails off exactly even, put a little blocking in, but I'm not going to bore you guys with that. Hope you guys have enjoyed this build. Hope you got something out of this video. Until next time, thanks for watching.